The greatest trend and challenge for me personally is the aging of the population. And this is not only true for the Western world, it's also true for the Asian society, which so far hasn't even had access to modern therapies and medical devices. And somebody in the end will have to pay for the therapy of all patients. So this will only be possible if in the long run costs for therapies and medical devices will decrease. Heraeus will shape the future of medical technologies actively and in many ways. First of all, our different global business units are focusing on various markets, such as orthopedics, infection management, cardiology, neurology, minimal invasive surgery, also from pharmaceuticals. Secondly, I'd like to mention our newly developed CERAMIC technology. This is an exciting technology that is combining many advantages. I mean, it combines the advantage of significant cost savings in the design and manufacturing of medical devices, but it also provides a miniaturized encapsulation solution for neurostimulation devices or cochlear implants. Neurostimulation devices, for example, are used to treat Parkinson, depression, or epilepsy. And those are the devices that in the future need to become much smaller and higher performing. In the future, we will not only provide components to our customers, we will provide integrated systems and full solutions that our customers can integrate into their devices. My personal wish and expectation for 2030 is that we will focus much more on prevention instead of therapy only. I would like us to wear sensors that will warn us before we get cardiovascular disease, for example. My other expectation is that if I just think of a surgery, how this is being done, that the physician is wearing an augmented reality glass, which will help the physician to guide and navigate through the cardiovascular system. Those are my expectations for 2030.
As an OEM or a contract manufacturer, we go after providing our own solutions, and it could be all the way through a regulatory solution. It could be a turnkey product for our customers. So the partnership with NAMSA and how they fit in with the development cycle is after we get through, upfront feasibility and prototyping, and then even get in through what we think is a firm bench test, and we're getting the data from a bench standpoint. The next steps are getting it into a model and testing it with our physician or clinician.
We designed a very simple yet pretty effective study where we spent a day in the lab with several people from Heraeus evaluating different catheters, different predicates, and different competitive devices. It all culminated in them learning of Heraeus learning quite a bit about their early stages and things that they need to go back and change before testing again.
I think the best part about what we've experienced is the knowledge you guys bring to the table. Working with Mike Bravo and study we've done in the past, just having his clinical knowledge and working with the docs hand in hand, our clinicians that are coming in, working with them hand in hand and saying, okay, here's where we are, here's where do you want to be, I can get you there.
We got a lot of value out of one day. They learned a lot that they wouldn't on the bench. They obviously still would need some physician feedback, but this was their first iteration of their device. So there is going to be a lot that will change. And so how can we get them some early data in a very cost-effective, quick manner? And that's what we did. And now we're in the planning stages of a next series of studies to take it even further.
Some of the later data we've gotten over our studies has been extremely valuable to us in the sense that we can go to the customer and say, hey, we've tried this in a model, and here's how it performs against the competition or our competitors, our predicate devices, and you can kind of see what the differences are, not only from a performance standpoint on the bench, but in actual use.
I think the value that they got was being able to use our experience with doing studies and working with clients like this at their same stage. Here at NAMSA we've done that a lot, with a lot of different clients over a lot of years, with a lot of different devices.
So with our partnership with our customers, we also believe in partnerships with our vendors. NAMS has had a great partnership with us. We feel like we've had a great partnership with them. And they've obviously supplied everything we've needed from a regulatory standpoint to a clinical standpoint to biocompatibility, and the list goes on.
When I was a child, a family friend died during open heart surgery, and I remember thinking to myself, this is something that shouldn't happen. The technology failed, and I should figure out a way of making sure that doesn't happen. It's important to me that the work that I do helps doctors and patients and our customers who are servicing those doctors and patients, because I want to make sure that I'm having an impact. I want to make sure that I'm doing what I can. I'm not smart enough to be a doctor, but I can at least do this job where I help our customers make products that help those doctors and help people live better lives. My name is Ben Locke. I am an engineering manager and product line manager here at Heraeus Medical Components, United States, in St. Paul, Minnesota. The healthcare industry is important to us because it affects all of us. We're all living longer lives, and we want to live better lives. And so it's important for Heraeus to have solutions to help our customers fulfill those patient needs that all of us are going to need at one point or another. One of the main focuses that our customers have in the healthcare industry today is the aging population. People are living longer lives, and they want to make sure that they live fuller lives. So Heraeus is committed to providing solutions for our customers to let people live more active and fit lives as they get older. Heraeus Medical Components helps our customers respond to the changing trends in the marketplace by providing components for neuromodulation and cardiac rhythm management devices. My group specifically provides design and development assistance for those customers. Speed to market is very important to our customers. The earlier they can get a product out into the world, the more people they can treat. And so here at Heraeus, we work with our customers globally to help them develop those products. What drives me personally and professionally is the fact that I get to make a difference. Working here at HMC, I get to do that day in and day out because I'm helping work on products that help people live better and fuller lives. Here at Heraeus, we like to say, together we improve lives. And that's very rewarding.
That's what we're doing. Sounds good. Have a good night.
The work that we do here at Heraeus and that I get to be a part of is very rewarding. Knowing that you make a difference in people's lives and helping to make a world a better place, very important to me. As I look to the future, it's even brighter, knowing that we are pushing the limits of technology and creating innovative solutions for our customers so that people don't have to go through pain and suffering, that we can make the world a better place through our innovation and our technologies.